Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code Correct. Today we are solving daily LeetCode question, which is type of triangle. In this question we have given an input array nums which contains three elements, which is the length of three sides of a triangle. Now our task is to return the type of triangle, which could be equilateral, isosceles, scalene or none. So let me explain you. Suppose that it is a triangle with the length of sides as A, B and C. So first of all we will check whether this figure will be a triangle or not, and to check that we have to check the condition that sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side, which means that we have to check that A plus B should be greater than C, B plus C should be greater than A, and A plus C should be greater than B. Then it is a triangle. Okay, if this condition is not satisfied, then we straight away return none. If this is satisfied, then we check for other conditions. If length of all three sides are equal, then it's an equilateral triangle. If one of them are equal but it's not equal to the third side, then it's isosceles. And if none of the sides are of equal length, then we say it is a scalene triangle. So now this is the example C. As you can clearly see that all the three sides are equal, then it's an equilateral triangle. And here 3 is not equal to 4, not equal to 5, it is a scalene triangle. Similarly here also it is a scalene triangle, and here it looks like that it is a scalene triangle, but even before that it is not a triangle, because if you do sum of this and this side, 5 plus 3, it will be equal to 8. But for the condition, our condition is that 5 plus 3 should be equal to this number. If it was 7, then we can say that yes, now it is a scalene triangle, now the condition is satisfied. But in this condition 5 plus 3 is not greater than, is less than or equal to 8, that's why it is considered not a triangle and we have to return none. And we can write a simple code for this. Let me explain you line by line. So here, if any of the condition is wrong, let's say that sum of nums 0 plus num1 is less than or equal to nums2, or this one or this one, in all these three cases we have to return none, as it's not a triangle. If all three are equal, then straight away return equilateral triangle. If none of them are equal to each other, such that nums0 is not equal to nums1, nums0 is not equal to nums2, and nums1 is not equal to nums2, then we return scalene. And after that only one is remaining, which is isosceles. We can straight away return isosceles after that. So this is the question and this is the solution. Thank you.